Tasha, and today I'm gonna do a Star Wars video. It's my first one. And these Star Wars action figures are new. All of these are new, even this big R2-D2.
Okay, what's in R2?
Wow, these are a lot. A stormtrooper.
Here, let's move. There we go.
Here's Darth Vader. Hey, he was sideways. Oh, here's that little man with the hump on his back. I don't know what that guy is.
He's some kind of, looks like a bounty hunter to me.
Oh, it's Kylo Ren.
Ooh, that's a new one.
That's what. BB-8. Here's a at. I don't know if this has any chicken walkers. An Ewok.
Let's see the Ewok. Cute. Who's
Here's
that?
a Luke Skywalker.
Uh-huh.
And this guy with a hump on his head. Maybe that's the bounty hunter.
Another bounty hunter? I don't know.
Who is this? He looks kind of like a cat. Rey!
Let's see Rey. There she is. There's Rey.
Here's Finn. Whoop! C-3PO. Here's, what's this guy's name again?
Let me see. Lando Calrissian.
Oh.
That's Han Solo's friend. Look at that guy. Let's see him. Wow, he's cool.
Maybe isn't there a bounty hunter?
Who's that? It's Jar Jar. He made you scream. What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, that's
It's a soldier.
That's Han Solo. I think it's Han Solo. I don't know. If we're not correct, please leave in the comments.
Who's leaving the comments, Mom?
Oh, for our viewers, if we're not correct on some of these, they can leave it in the comments and tell us who they are. Who's that?
A Tauntaun!
Yeah. Cool. What else is in there?
Oh!
Cool. What's that? A gun?
This guy really has a humongous gun.
Yeah, he sure does. What else is
Luke
there?
Skywalker.
Another Luke. Oh, that was from your birthday cake.
Yeah, that was from my birthday cake. I bring it there and I accidentally put it in.
Do you remember your birthday last year? We had Star Wars birthday?
Star Wars and Minions, Mom.
Star Wars and Minions birthday. That's right.
Oh, a car of R2-D2.
Cool.
Oh, I almost forgot that was R2-D2's car. Hey, let's see who's this guy. Let's see who is this guy.
Yeah, who is that?
Princess Leia!
Yep, as a bounty hunter, right? She was in disguise.
Well, she in disguise.
Because she was trying to trick Jabba the Hutt so she could get Han. I like that action figure. It's a cool one. Okay, what else do we have there?
Another car.
Yeah, you got a lot of Star Wars cards there, too. Who's that?
I don't know.
Oh, I forget that guy's name. He's a good guy, though.
A deer.
What's a deer doing there? Is that from Frozen? We got a couple of Frozen characters in there. Oh wait, this is
Luke Skywalker.
yeah, that's Luke. That's Luke. Oh,
Iguana.
an iguana. I thought you only had Star Wars in there. You got some other surprises. Oh, Viv Fortuna.
Viv Fortuna?
Mm-hmm.
I did not know
He's
that.
one of Jabba's friends. He helps Jabba the Hutt. Another lizard.
Another lizard. Wait, that's the same one.
Oh, okay.
A woodpecker.
Wait a minute. I thought you had Star Wars in there. It's a space woodpecker. A snake.
Peppa Pig.
Wait a minute. I thought there was Star Wars in there.
A big tauntaun.
Big tauntaun.
What?
That's a nice one.
He was just holding a pony. I thought I didn't have a My Little Ponies. Another car. Stormtrooper.
Oh, that's a bath toy. That's a good one. You can take a bath with him.
Hey, watch this. How do you do this thing? How do you do that
I don't
thing?
know. Do you remember that guy? He's the one that started crying when his monster got killed. Do you remember that guy?
Yeah. Look at his hair. Hey, Mom, watch this.
Hmm?
Hey, could somebody turn this hair over?
Okay, what else is in there?
More cards. What? A
What's
train
that?
whistle. I like train whistles. Another frozen deer. Oh, the Emperor!
Ooh, he's scary.
Princess Leia.
Mm-hmm.
Han Solo. A box. Wait! That's from Indiana Jones.
Wait, how did that get in there?
That was from Christmas, Mom. Enough of those guys.
Who is that guy? Wait, I want to see. Oh, it's Lando Calrissian.
Again.
Yeah. Is that a Death Star?
That's a Death Star.
Is that from your birthday cake, too?
No. A penguin.
Wait a minute.
Ewoks!
Aw, they're so cute.
Oh, good. That card. Lego and a pig and a cow. Oh, a big shorts. Another card. Pony. A sea ray. Hey, I thought I didn't have any of these.
Let me see.
It's from Night of the Museum.
Oh, you got all kinds of stuff in there.
Hey! Do you know who this is, Mom?
It looks like a rebel pilot.
No, it's not. It's one of Finn's friends.
Oh, okay. Uh-huh.
Guess who is it?
Is that Poe?
It's Poe, Mom.
Cool.
I got him when Dad bought all these other figures for me.
Mm-hmm.
Another card.
I've been collecting these for a long time.
Oh, this was the wing for that thing.
Mm-hmm.
I'll do these later. A guy's arm.
Yeah, there's a couple of little loose pieces in there, too. We need to show the cards, too, after you're done with the figures. Because the cards are cool, too. Oh, another R2-D2.
R2-D2.
Cute. Okay, is that it for the figures?
That's it for the figures.
Okay, R2 is empty. Okay, let's see what cards you have. Oh, Luke. What's that? That is a droid. It is EV-99. Let me see that one. This one is Endor Rebel Soldier card. Let's see this one. This one is Leia in her disguise. Oh, and those are for slides. Let's see if I can hold it up to the sun and then we can see what the slide is. Yes. See, there's the slide. Now the camera can see it. See, come over here on this side, Tosh. Over here. Look, and you can see it. Look here. Look at the camera. See? See it? Can you see it? Yeah. Here, give me another slide. Give me another slide so we can see. Oh, okay. Oh, that guy is named the Gamorrean Guard. He looks kind of like a boar. Let's see that one. This one is, it's Chewbacca. Can you see Chewbacca? There he is. See? It's Chewbacca. Let's see this one.
That's Rey.
This one is, no, that's a Princess Leia. Can you see her? Princess Leia?
That's upside down.
There.
Hey.
Who else do we have here? This is another Chewbacca. Can you see Chewbacca? There he is. That is so cool.
Another one.
Okay, another one. This one says Endor Rebel Soldier.
Mama, I'm
That's
putting
cool.
some of the toys in.
Okay, and that's your Star Wars collection, right? Oh no, we still have some more cards to see. Let's see this one. Okay, this is Lando. And this is Chewbacca. And this one is Weequay Skiff Guard. Who else do we have? We have Prune Face. Prune Face. Let's see that one. That one is, Lando Calrissian. Can you see him there? That's cool. What else do we have? Oh, Viv Fortuna. He is weird looking. What else do we have? Jabba Skiff Guards. What else? And Yak Face. Selt Mare. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Yak Face. What do you think about that? He's pretty weird, huh? Ooh, the Emperor Palpatine. Do you like him or you don't like him?
Hate.
You hate him. Yeah, he's a bad guy, huh? What else do we have? Okay, this guy, Nien Nunb. That's his name. Yep, you have one of those figures.
Who's Nien Nunb?
He's looks kind of like a catfish. Alright, now we've got Mon Mothma. Okay. And the last card is, that is the Rancor Keeper. He's the one, he starts crying when he dies. Alright, and that's Tasha. That's the end of all your Star Wars characters.
Yep.
All your Star Wars collection.
Hey, Mom, can we do another video soon?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, if you like Tasha's video, give her a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel if you like what you see. Okay, can you say bye?
Bye!